Riding in southeast Idaho is best known for the empty farm roads. However, the views of this ride are worth the trip by themselves. Nestled in the extreme northeast quarter of the Snake River Plains are rolling hills, aspen groves, and amazing views of the Tetons. So we're going to start in the town of Ashton, and we're going to pretty much head east. Initially, the road goes uphill over some rolling hills with some tremendous views of the Tetons on the right. Crossing the Mesa Falls Scenic Byway, and things get greener and we're getting closer to the mountains. A right turn takes us to the Fall River, which is a really fun dip. It's so fast and so much fun. The highlight of this next little bit is the view of the Tetons, which my camera doesn't really capture, but wow, they look resplendent from this point of view. Okay, this next little bit is called Conant Creek, and it is a blast to descend and really pretty to come out of. I think it's absolutely a highlight of the ride. All right, this is the only highway bit of the ride, but I had literally 11 cars pass me, and every single one of them got all the way into the other lane and gave me plenty of room. Not a problem. This last little bit is about 3-mile cool down in Ashton for a well-deserved huckleberry milkshake. So what do you think? Do you want to try it for yourself? The Strava route is in the description, as well as other great rides in the area.